Good morning, students. In the previous session, we discussed about the different generation of computer languages and how to solve the problem with different tools. Last time we discussed about the algorithm, how to write the algorithm. Today we'll discuss about the second tool to solve a problem, that is flowchart. A flowchart is a type of diagram that represents an algorithm or process showing the steps as boxes of various kinds and their order by connecting them with arrows. This diagrammatic representation illustrates a solution to a given problem. Now, to draw a flowchart, we use different type of boxes or symbols to create flowchart. So that we'll discuss one by one. The first one is terminal box, this oval shaped box, which is also called start stop box. To start a flowchart and to stop a flowchart in the end, we use this oval shaped box. Second one is the input output box, that is in a parallelogram shape. This input output box we use to accept the data as input or to show the output. The third one box is this rectangular shaped box, which is called process box. It is used to process the data, which could be logical or arithmetic, that is plus, minus, multiply or divide. The next box is, which is called decision box. This is diamond in shape and it is used in the flowchart to represent any condition. The next one is the circle shaped box, which is called connector. It is used to connect the flowchart from one page to another or the part of flowchart with the another part. And the last one are these arrow lines, which are called flow lines, which is used to show the sequence of steps we are making in the flowchart. Now we'll take an example. Like for example, I want to find the sum of two numbers. First, we will start. Then we need two numbers. I'm taking two numbers A and B. That is the input. It will come in input box. Then we will process it. We will find the sum. So sum equals to A plus B. So the sum of A and B will come in the sum variable. After this, we will show the output in the output box. So display sum and then stop. Similarly, if we take one more example, if I want to find among two numbers which one is larger. Now what we'll do? First we'll start the flowchart with the oval shaped box. Then we need two numbers to find which one is greater. So we'll read two numbers A and B. After this, we will check which one is greater. So we will use the decision box to check the condition. That if the first number, that is A, is greater than second number B. If A is greater than B, if yes, then print A. If no, then print B. And then stop.